Hello and welcome to Science Rocks. Today I would like to talk to you guys about the pencil, the common pencil at home and what's inside. We usually tend to call it the pencil's lid, but in actual fact this is graphite, and graphite is made out of carbon, or this graphite can be used as a filament to create a bulb which Thomas Edison had designed earlier. And we are going to use DC, or the power of the battery, to make this bulb. And now graphite does heat up, as it does not freely allow electricity to pass through it. It's going to put up a lot of resistance, and all that resistance is going to create immense heat in the graphite, and graphite will start to melt eventually. It gets heated up and it melts. It has a melting point or evaporation point of 3500 to 3600 degrees Celsius. Yes, today we're going to see an experiment where we're going to pass DC current, say around 12 volts, into the graphite of the pencil, and we're going to see it glow. The solid form of graphite, it's going to evaporate. It's going to turn a liquid and then it's going to evaporate. And that's how hot graphite will get. And by looking at the color of the flame also is an indication of how hot it can get. At home, yes, you can do this at home, but not without proper precaution and adult supervision. So please be careful when you try to replicate this experiment. Thank you, and hope you enjoy this demonstration. And across that you have the filament. It's a graphite filament. Now we're going to connect it. You can hold, one of you hold this. I'll put the. Okay. So come a little closer. We need to connect the.
I'll hold.
That is positive. Now I'm going to put the negative. You put off the light, you know, in olden days, yeah, when you had the, yeah.
Wow, it's amazing.
So
something is interesting.
now it's getting whiter actually, it's getting hotter and hotter, and then okay, then it's gone. Okay.